Hi guys, welcome back. So in this video, we will be discussing how can we connect AWS Lambda function using JQuery Ajax. Okay. For that, what I have done, I have created a small HTML file. This is very simple, and I have created this code, this sample code from ChatGPT itself. Okay, I just edited with a few things, but it's 99% of the code is I got it from ChatGPT. Okay. So this is a very simple code. I can show you the UI. Okay, so this is the UI. It has a text box here and it has a submit button. Okay, once it's submitted, it will call the AWS Lambda function. That's it. Okay, so one thing we need to ensure that, okay, so in our AWS Lambda function, in the configuration, okay, inside this function URL, just click on the edit. Okay. Ensure that you check this particular property, that is configure cross-origin resource sharing. Okay, and set like in all the properties like allow origin, expose headers, allow headers, set as star. Okay, add new value, then set as star. Okay, then just save it. Okay. Otherwise, like we will be getting the course error. Okay. To avoid this, we have to follow these particular steps. Okay. So once that is done, so this, as I mentioned, this is our HTML. So let me try here. Webcam is not working. Oh, sorry. Web camera is not working. So let me make it inspect this just to see like it's working or not. Okay, I'm going to hit the submit button. Okay, so this usually take 5 to 6 seconds. You can see sometimes like we will get some internal error, because like if somebody is using the ChatGPT. Oh yeah, it's done now. So we can see the result here. Okay, if your web camera is not working, there are a few steps that you can try to follow. So this is specifically saying that what all things we need to do to solve this web camera. So you can try with like any other prompt, and you guys can try it. Okay, so I think that is all in this video. So I will upload this particular code, this HTML code, to GitHub also. You can download and you can also use it. Okay, thank you very much for watching my video. Please do like and subscribe. Have a nice day. Bye bye.